All right, this video we're going to talk about the Live Good co-op opportunity, okay? We waited about 6 months for it to be released to us affiliates that have a certain rank, okay? And about a month or two ago, our CEO said, you know what, just go in your back office and click a little tab that's called co-op, and for $35, you can buy up to two opportunities, hopefully to get a member or at least an affiliate. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and just show you my screen and tell you what I've been through, because all I can do is storytell. I'm not going to blow smoke up your butt and say, hey, I bought this co-op and oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I got 2 signups and they went on to sign up 1 million people and now I have a yacht in Fiji. Okay. Right now, as I produce this, I got to look at my calendar. It's January 21st of 2025. The co-op literally was released about a month or so, about a month ago. Okay, I don't have the exact day, but it's been about a month. And I'm just going to show you my back office. This is live. Okay, you can see here, and if you're in Live Good already, see the co-op, just click that, and you guys will have the exact same screen that I'm going to read to you. Okay. So the co-op right now, to increase the number of members and customers who make Live Good their home for our supplements, we as a company are investing into advertising campaigns. Okay, that includes like advertising with podcasts, social media, Google ads, radio ads, and more. Okay, and they have been doing that. Okay, so here's the line. Now you can participate in that advertising through a co-op. Okay, now currently it costs us about $35, and it says the number 35. I'm assuming that means $35. Okay, it's just a typo, I think, on the website, but currently it's costing us about $35 to acquire a new customer as we continue to optimize our advertising to decrease the cost to acquire new customers. Okay, so obviously the more millions of dollars, I guess, that they collect through us affiliates, the price per sign up will go down. Okay. So anyway, but we're going to pass these savings on to you. So for now, each new customer or member will cost $35. Okay. To ensure we don't run out of customers, we're currently limiting the co-op to only people that have silver ranked affiliates. Okay. That means you have 10 people signed up below or in your group. Okay. And only 2 people can do that. Okay, so I'm, just a guy that likes to try things out in baby steps when it comes down to cash. Okay, so I went ahead, I had $70, and I just went ahead and I clicked a button. I put the number 2, meaning I want to buy 2 of these co-ops. And right now, after a month, going on 2 months, I haven't really heard anything, and I've had 0 signups or 0 anything from the company as far as their source for their co-op. Okay, now only the advertising, division or the marketing company that Live Good uses knows exactly where their money's going. But, as far as social media advertising, I'm assuming, okay, you're going to see ads on Facebook, Instagram, probably TikTok, Google ads, of course, just if you're searching around the internet, radio ads, and I'm assuming that's like FM broadcasting, and podcasts. Okay. And I know they mentioned a couple that I'm familiar with, including like Russell Brand and some other ones. And I think that the podcaster will just kind of look into the camera and just talk about Live Good, probably like a 30-second read about the opportunity. Okay. Now, when they do that, they're not going to say, well, go to Cory Draper's link, which is, joincory.com. Okay. Because I have my own way of signing people up, and I have almost 400. I have 399 right now, and I'm going to really bust buns over the wintertime now and get another 100 signups by summer because I want 500. That'll put me in the top 10. Right now I'm number 27 on the leaderboard at a 1.8 million. Okay, and that's awesome. All right, and I just keep things real simple, real fun. I have my own way of doing things, and you can email me and I'll send you a little email on what I do. And I do tons of videos. So if you go to my YouTube channel, just look up anything with Live Good on the thumbnail and just watch it. It's no secret what I do to sign up people. or at least make money with LiveGood every day. Okay, because I have other opportunities that complement LiveGood. Just because I don't get a sign up in LiveGood every day doesn't mean I'm not making a pile of dough. Okay, because I know right now my income, based on my efforts and from what I know, okay, even Diamond, which is the highest rank in LiveGood, all right, there's a couple people that are like double dildo diamond or something like that, but I know that I'm in the top 2% and I make more than a diamond in LiveGood just because I complement things all based on LiveGood being like a little cute little baby boy, or maybe like a little flower that needs love and sunshine and air and oxygen and fertilizer. That's how I look at LiveGood. It's a great opportunity. If you haven't signed up, guys, just sign up now and you will learn along the way how to earn. Okay, and you can earn and learn at the same time. You don't need to put in 2 or 3 months and then all of a sudden get a sign up. With the co-op, and I even told the customer service of LiveGood, all right, they know who I am. I probably talk to them through email more than anybody. But when it comes to paid advertising, a lot of people think, okay, I got 100, 200, 300, 400 bucks. I'm just going to go ahead and spend that 500 and I'll probably get some signups and turn that 500 into 1,000. I'll put 500 bucks in my pocket, spend another 500 and get $1,000 back. And, you think you're becoming like a Subway sandwich of just franchising, or you're maybe gambling where, you only have to win one hand out of 10 to make a living. I don't look at paid advertising like that. I don't really do paid advertising. All my signups and all the money that I make right now every 30 days is based on me. And I guess I am trading time for potential money, but I like to do videos like this and put them on YouTube. I like to send out emails. I like to post on social media. Now, on a street level, if somebody asks me about something, I just give them a business card that has joincory.com. Okay, and then they click this. You can click it right now, and you'll see LiveGood's capture page. It just shows a video that's 6 minutes. It talks about the opportunity. And from there, people can either put their name and email address in where they'll get more information about LiveGood for 30 days, and they can opt out anytime they want, or you can go ahead and just join. Cory Draper, email, go get the email from LiveGood and I can join, okay? But if I have paid advertising that I want to buy myself, I can't send it directly to this link. I got to do it another way that is in compliance with LiveGood, because they don't want you buying a bunch of traffic, and who knows where they come from. I don't even know where the leads come that LiveGood approves, okay? I don't like buying leads. I like to get email addresses to where I own them, and I can email them back, and I can verify if they're real or not, and I can have a company that just does all the compliance and all the spamming issues that come with emailing. But I send out over 100,000 emails every 24 hours, and the company actually pays me to do it. And it's only $1 a day. It's $30 a month, okay? And that gets me 3,000 to 6,000 emails, because I get 100 to 200 emails per day for that dollar. So I just spent $70, and now here it is 2 months. I have nothing to show for it, and all I do is have a screen that says it's sold out. It's temporarily sold out, and we're putting all the money into podcasting and LiveGood this, and that good for LiveGood. But honestly, if you advertise LiveGood and the products, people are going to buy the products. They're not going to know about someone like myself. I'm an affiliate. Guys, the only way I make money is by saying, please join me, and let's tell everybody else about LiveGood, and they join as an affiliate. And of course I want you to buy product, but we do not commission the products at LiveGood. If you guys not blow, it's probably a bad way to say it, but if you go ahead and spend $100 on products, guys, that's awesome for you and your health. It's good for LiveGood because they have to sell products to keep the company going, and I want the company to kick butt. But right now, if all my money, that $70 is just going for podcasts and all these other things, I already do that myself, and I think I can do it better. Okay? And I can do it for free. So right now, if you're looking from an honest review from someone that's number 27 in the company, as far as signing up affiliates, I would say save your money. Save the $70 and do something else. Okay? If you want to go to CoryDraper.com and see how if I want to go on an email campaign, or if you're going to do some type of paid advertising, you can't send it directly to the LiveGood capture page. It clearly says if you're going to send a bunch of leads, and if they're all fake and come from the same IP address, They're going to turn off your affiliate page. And that's the only way that people can sign up as an affiliate. So if you don't even have that page available, sure, you can buy products yourself or help the company make money by selling products, but you're not an affiliate anymore. Okay, you spent $40 and now it's gone. Okay, so obviously you don't want to violate any type of policy that LiveGood clearly says you cannot have paid advertising going directly to your capture page. And that is my joincory.com. That's why you always see me doing a video like this. Guys, please go to this link and check it out. This is attraction marketing where hopefully I attract you somehow with my wacky background of ridiculous toys on my wall, or maybe my big giant forehead. But somehow you guys have found me on, let's say, YouTube or Facebook, or maybe it is through an email. But I invite you to go to a link that I just organically have somehow attracted you to go and click. Okay, that is okay. That's why I just go to GoDaddy. They're my favorite. I just buy that domain name. It cost me like $10, $11 because it was open. And I forward it to the LiveGood capture page. That is totally okay with LiveGood. And if you're going to go ahead and buy a co-op, it says member or affiliate. Well, right now, if I spend $35 to get a member, well, that's not the $40 more that they need to spend to be an affiliate where I can maybe make some money through their efforts. That's why I want to teach you. And I want you to teach your downline, or we all teach each other in a nice group or through video about how to recruit as affiliates so we can earn money. But right now, I just got to be honest here. January 21st, a couple months have went by and I have zero to show for the $70 that I spent. So right now, you can't even buy a co-op, I guess a co-op, that's what you just call it. But you can see right here, temporarily sold out. See that on my screen? So you can't even buy one. But if you're another affiliate and you're watching this video, can you let me know? Just email me at Cory@CoryDraper.com. Can you see that right there? Maybe that'll help if I put my business card on the screen. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Can you let me know if you've had any results? If you are a person in LiveGood that is silver or higher ranked, okay, did you get one or two co-ops and have any of those converted into even a member, let alone an affiliate? I just want to know, and I'll make a video about it. But, you know, I don't want to diss the company, but I just got to be honest. That $70, it's been gone for 2 months now, and I have nothing to show for it. So I think at this point, I'm definitely not going to give it a review of, okay, well, it looks good, guys. So when LiveGood catches up with all their member and affiliate co-op, you know, they filled all of them up with good old-fashioned members and affiliates. And then everybody can start buying more. But right now, you had to have silver. You had to have at least 10 people in your group or more to even buy the co-op. And they sold out like in 5 minutes. I mean, they like in a day or two, the screen is completely what I'm showing you right now. It just said sold out. So this temporarily sold out. It's been this way now for 2 months. Okay. So if you're watching this, I'm just going to put LiveGood co-op review after 2 months. That'll be somehow my title. All I can tell you guys, and I talk to everyone that signs up as a member or an affiliate. I even talk to people that sign up just the health assessment, because we have a nice free health assessment where people can, just fill out 4 minutes of just a nice survey, an assessment, a questionnaire. And then Dr. Ryan Goodkin, who produces and creates all of our great products, you get a nice little message about what you should probably do to lose weight, or do something about your diabetes, or maybe your heart, or just you want more energy, okay? There's other ways to attract people into LiveGood. But all I can say is after 2 months and $70, I have nothing to show for it. I don't even have one person even walking up the driveway. I feel like I have 2 pit bulls growling, and someone's not even going to come up and knock on the door, or maybe even go to the mailbox. And, so anyway, there's just better techniques and methods. Okay, so get a hold of me. I hope you want to join LiveGood. If you haven't joined LiveGood, I hope you do. I've got a way that you can make a real good living with LiveGood, even with 3 signups. Okay, you have to have multiple streams of income with LiveGood. Okay, the products are great. The affiliate opportunity is awesome. but we just need to get you in Live Good, and then we just need to get you in the house. Then we're going to put the carpet, the walls, the decorations. All right, we're going to put some cool things hanging on the walls. How about a stereo and a badass couch, okay? That's how I look at Live Good. It's a great new house, but you've got to finish off the basement, get the yard. You got to decorate it and make it a home, okay? And I'm real good at that. So, guys, thank you for your time. I know 15 minutes. God, it just goes so dang fast when you try to do up-to-date reviews or whatnot. But I'll tell you what, if you can just keep Live Good simple and keep it kind of fun, and just go on your Facebook pages, Instagram, TikTok, and just make it just nice and clear. And you don't have to go on and on to the break of dawn. If you want to go ahead and just get a domain name and forward it to the Live Good capture page like I do, awesome. But just don't do it in a paid advertising fashion. Okay? Go to CoryDraper.com too. You'll see what I do. That's free. That whole web page is free. It's called Linktree. You can see the other opportunities that I use to make Live Good grow slowly into a badass. Okay? It's like a little baby plant, but it needs air and fertilizer and oxygen and warm sun. Okay? That's how I look at Live Good. All right? And I think you'll agree. All right? So I hope you join my team, my group, and I'm going to tell you all my techniques or my routine that I do every day. Okay? So in 6 months to a year from now, I want you on the leaderboard, and I want you, to be honest, I want my whole group to be in the top 50. All right? I want you guys to have a good experience, especially if you join with me, okay? All right, guys, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I usually have videos pop up on my head here if you're watching on my YouTube channel. And I'm not shy. You can email me anytime, Cory@CoryDraper.com, and I'll help you out as much as I can, okay? All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and I should have one popping up on my head right now. Thanks.